Ever wondered why that fresh glass of well water sometimes leaves a metallic taste in your mouth? Or perhaps why the laundry comes out with a slight orange tinge? The culprit is often iron, a common contaminant in well water. It's not harmful in small amounts, but it can cause a host of problems when its concentration gets too high. Step 1 of the process to removing iron from well water involves testing the water to determine the concentration of iron. This is a critical step, because the concentration of iron in the water determines the method to be used to remove it. SoftPro water systems will help you through the process, step by step. SoftPro water systems will help you get your water tested and walk you through on how to test your well pump flow rate. With all this information, SoftPro water system will then give you the proper treatment options for your well water. Contact SoftPro water systems to get started on the process. It may seem like a daunting task, but with the right information and tools, it can be a straightforward process that leads to cleaner, iron-free water. So, say goodbye to that metallic taste in orange laundry, and hello to fresh, clean well water.